We nana akosa. Nyakopon we mood. Bring your time to 22 after 3. Our Adom 106.3 FM. Well, good afternoon. I do believe that weekend it was okay. And you're doing fine this afternoon. Said it be an end there, they are saying, and not do Marakwa. And all day I call now Chiwi and I say the action out for frosting. It's Yasidiano. I say, Efata say, the ma onunkuto. Good afternoon, Sama Akwaba or Question Koso. About OfieKwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. Said you that a free sabre kwa copim said the bo and you rain nunsia. Na yet ye casebo papa and some Maudonina did this utino. Now so come out near their bro. Adom 106.3 FM. Munia my Jerry Justice Namotin carry. As down Comatino, Papa Bills, African, James Town, J. Cole. Now, as I bet to us, we're quite new, fast that can say, man. I don't form a big giant, Emma over the weekend. In your Bema African. Ne papa you know a course of a fefe come out with Newtown. If you say African in a bush of food, I say Omodamwa say when your mumu now will be now more cheap. Now when it me is see one papa come over the weekend. Obi out me bay ye ni bibia nyamisha. Muswa mutimi kakra de ta enu na chi na nyame hyamo na de mo hwe no bia no omo homamo homo bebre ewo Yesu dim amen. Enti awie ne sande e bekọ yanim na ene no ho ensam do so wi ase o me pacho se o Facebook ahụ Bray never shot dinner say Abra ya dana manfon so ye adwuma enye easy o Debbie we nya krono we dey we be say spiritual me do ko spiritual pa na edio we no obi ni CCTV camera na a capture o Abraham Crawford na da na dwe no. Say abay for no more of him. Eti we obi a on strong ajo. If you na question pai bo mu yie pa. Na nyama amafo ye no honhum no. Eh dangerous. You need to see this video. Na o de ye o se hwe ni wiase o da ya na wa da no. Oh my lock me puno. Oh me the security door, bulletproof door. Yo by phone de no mo ho nanka obi ti London na nesu wa bi o by for e wa da zumpu azu obehwa na obutu no ba ko ni London hwe pasa jai mi ke so kra no passport oni bi mpo no agi visa. They are doing things. Etipacho or access to Facebook obetimi a join me sisi a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now, Obo Remuha and the videos of our time. You know, betcha our video no. Now, a free and nelqui after watching this video on Pai Bono, or the two baby, San Kofa Wade. Ne man Pai Bumunya Ding. O Koda Ufiono. Ma Uja pa, Osuru Japa, Susugufio, heavy pa, Asabeda Wada. Said the Bonnie be a by for be planning on do away, no more cycle. Yes, I party adro. That is why I'm out for to complain to the BBO and ye because I'm not joking by for by you of your no. One for when you Hununtia. Yabacoso. Your father can say my dominion about powder. And no, and a wow. Emma to me build a strong immune system. And some boy amount normalize or blood pressure no. Heart and kidney related problems in the answer if you diabetes, stroke, need na for feature cry. Obenya bia to away na nabo ache about shops ni na Hello say about Kings Walk about Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5 and our favorite Patch Ventures. Open the door party at Angel Dominion Bar Center. When we at Chakwan on Coco. Free 0543 158 195 and our free 0249 591 843. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Kel Kids toothpaste. And see a toothpaste shrunkwa ya dear mama fra. Yeah, the strawberry I wanna come out. I brought friend the trini say I said the old tough you know. The day come out. And so and the power yeah a bo oh yeah gam no buying a preventive cavity. A mom was very strong and healthy with freshness all day. Yeah, come for the amobibia. To be found mama fra no fun between 2 and 6 years for now. A young mom papa. A available market baby. If it's Samara Company Limited. FDA for so much more to say yeah. Kel Kids, happy smile. Fast down to my Ernest Chemist or the number 10 liver salt at a children. I told out the I say a short not why a check will be as a cocoa 1 minute. You are bono. When you cranka, Sabi, Africa cranka, or if you so a man. Why is it check? We are Juku. I said from a big no yamuno. I feel like above. And ko ye me pacho o pese o de ho freeze stomach upset, nausea, hyperacidity and indigestion one and yabusia and one is of Mansaka number 10 liver salt bibia be ko ye kama de amount and you feel good again. And I feel what stubborn cough be a how I dream and one who baby a fiba and so say yeah ni Obebo waisa do baby na cold bi ne kata bi no be gym ave make so stop cough and ebebo. Oh yes, now stop cough range is suitable for adults, children and our babies. Nemo mu use na edam yensa ebetom so na say still na sa na tie dia as utimi ko hu doctor. So go on and stop that cough with stop cough. Eba. Cron. Sure. You come over check your mama na sisi I na for videos of our time just now. My dear no say you know ya won't check Facebook mama. I've said the videos of our time here about Besha Swama Sisia. So sell medical there to any near share na the videos of our time at Twaso Sisia Eddie Amao. Na fe yetimi ahwe na yakoye nim e wo dwumedi eso. Eno achi no. Ene yenua ba. Oso no kama pa. Oh. Celestine. Enu fufuro di ba ye de. Just hey, baby oh. Now no baby na tenyo no pe na draw attention. Sa enum ni emu ye buruta. Ebedi un komo akra. Babusua bibi a wo ye bia na an wa kai ahye no so say insurance ade ehun hia pa. Na obe insure dwumedie bia wudie bia so aya na wa kai Phoenix Insurance. Esa say ye na ya show bo na ye die bo hye so pa. Ye de ne say obesan sore agina wana mo so bi Saturenchen ba. Yes, you will rise again when disaster strikes. You two claims in temper. Yes, Saturenchen bi aba free ne hwe na say be na bi ada bi. Prekupe na ne aso mu. Policies endorse on fire, motor accident, marine, engineering, as well as bonds. And they crowd me to insurance at the fire and short code ISO *389*79*. Now follow prompt no. We share difficulties be now pay further inquiries be answer phrase 0302 246 319 and after 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Sule, see how near you Ghana food near you. Try to near Quenwati, any videos of that. I'm so better for the good can Muswa. Memma refis or Befa Goyle. Makadada na me repeat be Mrs. say there's no oil fuel station e Ghana ha or ordinary fuel. So koto petrol pa de gu kam ana diesel ordinary one ani ebu aguma debi. Ni na ye treated once papa pa. The amount for be ashe that to mu de na din bi a omde gi aborden akese pa okrumu ano ha. Enu bi say oil for so ayo mu de no sa papa pa. Yet same price na na turn the amount. Emu ye bruta enti enkoto ordinary fuel bi angu kanu ka na kwa na twitwini mu ebubu nipa ne ade ade a e wa bro betimi anya treated fuel papa ya to ebo ase akoye nim a 45 no feather with the XP3 additive multifunctional enhancer ama yenye fuel no aye more efficient na eco-friendly. Yet turn at no extra cost. So them can catch on. Antibora Golf Fuel Station BM was it open Super XP Ron 95. More can use petrol engines no. And a fay Goyle Diesel XP for diesel engines no. What book na call baby. Goyle, Ajibaby, Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dear moon. Kasapreko Company Limited. Or see Christmas and watch your banim. Or Mamma them more. It take your advantage. Now switch to Naju and in a feeling. And it's saying, yes, about 1,000 packs of assorted drinks. Now more 100 packs free. Oh, yes. It is a beer awake natural mineral water. What Tomakuma Kube a beer 200 pieces. What you say? Now, what pay 10/10 drinks here? What to be 200? Now, face so what pay a Pima drinks here? Pima tamarind. What to be 200? What you say? A couple more 600. No, I don't know. What pay choco more TB and also be 200. Not just say 800. No. I feel quite damn be when I'm fan come out. Who there to Togum Kwasa? Opa storm, storm is not to so be 200. A couple more just 1,000 packs now. What on? We really sana pay. Now you're more 100 packs free at the account. The facility the pa now be you. And it just some cool promotion women say. Eh, be a wunya daje and makasa preko for aswe meto. What there from? Natural drinks now open on Marco 1,000. Almost the best supplier. Almost load 2,000 nigu ka nuna. Now almost load the extra 100 free at the account one amount. Now be deliver at your doorstep. Open on pay untia for the delivery. Oh yes. Emu de bruta. Etipacho Casa Preco Company Limited. Key distributors nina across Ghana. Any and doubles out on say yes, Spinkters one cry, Kumasi Tanoso, Techiman, who and Atamali, Honina, Pomo, a jump din. Eti friend, Najo DSCR 050-162-074 and our fee 050-156-2072. A shake a crown, Yana Washenoso, Casa Preco Company Limited. A step beyond excellence. I was trying to boy room now. Yeah, the videos of our time now, bro. On name, no. There be a metrasia. I am the idea back or two and my this idea Cassia Pa. I the classroom project. My catch was said we and she shares from Con I and you know. The multimedia group. Yene star Ghana ya kabumwa. Yede ebrewo. Nani na say school form more fry. Yeah, what classrooms out to say. A dano a friend na driegu. A dan be what to the roof in there to two. Etomu timusu ade na from abo say oh we hard dream enso mu na ya na mo apon school obi akofie ense se ba ne say ba ye ntimi fa ni na ngu aban so sa aban ko anye the sent na ya take this initiative you say give for change #give for change ti kakra bi na fa boa keto bi enso momo number ni 059 303 8832 that's 059 3038832. Now odeka kratum edin e wo sa account no so no Joy FM etika benya bia fatum na yekeka mumu a yentimi emfansi classrooms papa mo frɛ betimi atrem asua de kama na yeyi omo afi nuase ne school dan a edwiregu ne ade no yeyi sa oha ni na afio opeso de ne fa bank ampacho Access Bank account number na 009010105491. That's 009010105491. Castle Road Branch. Swift code on ABNGGHAC. That's ABNGGHAC. Na onso wetimi edekakra atum. BBN now person ni din komo e multimedia hanso afre. Na any other inquiries we are wetimi aye no ade afa so 0302 216 540. That's 0302 216 540. The Classroom Project, promoting social justice through philanthropy. Eno ehon asem eno. Baby adwe no. Yeah, behwe na Sule eguswa ekeka ne mabum na wetimi atwa atum near the videos of our time na bro. Na ansana no. Medical aka chora da say ene Celestine Donko ewo ha. Ya chese yene edi dwumadie yi na saane nyu only you know there enu na ze me amenyum kama papa na yene ni bedi nkomo kakra ba se de da bia ya na me ye no ene waba besran ye die ye bepa dwuma bia mana ya anzana ye bepa dwuma bia ya mana anzana eti pacho ene asamo a ye tie wo OfieKwanso medie so na ye de atu ye hofo no ye beji de fi Celestine Donko under 2 minutes on my messenger ye mfa ntu ye hofo awie na fi wie ni sa ye mfa de aka no ento aso ahove na bibia boko de nyame adom nti boko pa ede nyame ase so de wa be ka yen se awie enti we de ansa kra na ye be mo akwaba na ye di nkomo no and then message bi e da wakoma so apeso de man say ye mfa ntu ye hofo awie no fa sa message man na fi wi a ye nto aso yo me da se me message no tia me fa no 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 16. Okay. 1 Corinthians 11 verse 16. Or say, for if a woman does not cover her head, she might as well have her hair cut off. But if it is a disgrace for a woman to have her hair cut off or her head shaved, then she should cover her head. Okay, intina scripture way ekasa fase obankata nitiso. Na a trainer was a verse we mono. And when I'm saying eti cross ye nkata so into okay the same scripture 1 Corinthians 11 verse
3 hona medical can 16
okay
me kind 3 or say but I want you to realize that the head of every woman, every man is Christ, and the head of the woman is the man. Inti, the Bible is telling women to cover their head. Who is the man? Mikasama emma semi and fire warriors sem emetwabonte.
Wow.
Yenkata ye kunum wo relationship ma. One of the things obema was I say oba warrior no correct oba onfa sebi wade jam kugu abonte. Because one of the key roles of a woman is to know how to cover her head, and your head in this context is your man. It's your baby out to be ma ufiasem, and that's why we mun say me pia bonte. Papa. Wow. Because Bible say that the woman must cover her head. Otherwise, it is a shame for a woman who doesn't cover her head. She might have as well cut off her hair. Yeah. Into anga say cover your hair, or say cover your head. Into here, a scripture when a lot of people interpreted this all sorry boduku. Yeah, boduku bunny okay, but the head in this context is your man, your husband, that man that you have chosen to be the man, the head of your life. No, so you are saying cover. No, wow. This is just what I want to share because of recent issues that is coming up in regards to women and what marriage and all stuff. So let's just learn how to cover your man. Beautiful. I love this message, and it is good this message is coming from you. Said the wawa kanu in recent times so near their day, and sometimes places or the people that you least expect say they will go through those things. No better now. Those people now I am not a hard dream, but but I think that this is a very simple, plain message. I say, oh baby, I would now be from now the bay juma. Wow, it will protect your marriage because the okano sometimes kasana dosun or town for so the onion for information is on the anche say where we exactly obviously can see your secret is your power. We are now German the anche say maybe kasa too much. This is a very powerful message. Too much. They fear at the Joe, no at the ja, Sebi, and then moon come crowd on now for discuss it. And she has had no and moi cry because any name that I say, Nipe be on your perfect. Inti, remember, no, on your perfect, you know, or one weakness. Inti, because of owning number, you'll be exposed to these weaknesses. So it's your duty to learn how to cover your man. Wow. And the Bema so you are said there to protect you. God bless you for this powerful message this afternoon. I was young Sikasema from your first was down as down there, dear Ma Celestine Donko, I had dear pass on my message winner. And who's the Casema from near Fama MTN, some so Ukroma, itimi, it is a comui. Nene Wakofa Ayoba, Ediaba. Ayoba, a brand new app cry, a pimu for everyone. Now, Utimi BBA was our app, we say so. In fact, Ubetimia send this through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family and friends, and also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You can play games, listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app, Ayoba. It's a patrol call Google Play Store and App Store. See and download it. Ayoba. Now, with me, I enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Nations say Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users there, they get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Madam and eti asem di to your for ene area. Na Celestine Donko ne yete kan ye ne ba betwetwe nkomo. Na ne nwom no I mean Q to answer. Ne mom se sia no de na internet ne ha drink akraba se sia ne dem enti obetimi ahwe na ene eye videos of our time e de bro no. Watch your video now, they are too hopeful. Very dangerous. We need to be prayerful. You see, I am not Christopher. The ma ye vulnerable sometimes. No.
yenim say ya fa awurade say ye kra na agye nkwa wi nti now the ban salvation them but you see trust no me tell say on osefo no obonsam on now 24/7 on na mo awaye wada opel ase on na de was say that no enyo no yo obonsam ne target o wo na wo de wo so afa nyame na wo wasacha na wo hu agye nkwa no oh you've seen the light ono person drag you into the darkness so that he will get you out of the light now wo hu no so they work harder every day to get you into who else say they want for nyame wi into Christo ni wa relax adwo wani be ba hoso no de o sen me patcho be hwe sa video we CCTV camera ne capture obia ada e woni fia na adwo no ne compound honom CCTV ne bo hono a capture beginning wa hwe kra be ka say e obi na chese wa so ya hemachi bi no nam ne fie no obompa bi no obompa bi say ba ifo okura ade bia ese broom sa broomstick tintin bi na oh ena oteso no de be si wo kinkin ena on nam fie otimi eya se de obompa no de to atwi fom kakra no akokọ na no ai bibi kakra na kwa ne ka esi efio wakọ round the car kakra no aba afia no disappear obi wan no asan ba oye de obe na awie no site na sa prior ne so a hwim okọ why na adwuma awie etu ade be chini bibi abebi enye man koi wa be set confusion e wo fie sa ro asel family Charlie, we should be very prayerful. And found pipe boniago. Jeko for video no to so time ko. Na ye twa tell na fe ye Celestine enim komo. Wo ye Kristo ni hwe video we ye menye wa adwen se wa sachre wi nti asan wo. Empaibo no mane ye den papa nti hwe video no hwe. Wo se fi your compound o hwi ni o car pen ya park isi anywhere ya na adwo. Hwe suddenly hwe e na o appear ho no. No be any o. Opie ho na not sa prae du atenten no so ene kita prae du na gusu kita no he ene odi twa no sa he show ena fi prae du na he ene odi ato fom no odi ato oboko he ena hwe action bi oye oso odi ne sa na se oprapra bi oso ano de akire fi o no aprapra no de akire bonten sa he na hwe de oye se asese osaw se oye den yo ene odi ne na nam ho no he skills are we oya utbe chanting pa oya na wakoto kakra na ode ne to asifom ne to no de asifom otwi to ofom what is it eradi yesu we ambo na grofo wo mo na o eno nam fi o saa o omo ati fi o so do omo ada we anadu konkon asem o omo ada they don't know what is going on over there. They don't know what is going on over there. A patrol Adom 106.3 FM. Bra Facebook says here na be hwa de no. By phone no guso display or no. Was a share white. E was by for epe tuntum. White nation no na. White pa nation no he. And was a kokoto ada kona ho if you know he. E ho so watwi ne to ada kona ho kakra. Afi wa so he. Onipa kono ka na si fi ono he. And all round the car no. Okofa car no asa BP the other side. Almost what da ofio omu nim de ekoso. Etu da wa ahwe no. Ubonse we no CCTV camera. On the 4th of November year 2021 year on the 4th of November. And a camera no capture sa image here wo hwe. Ena ogusu display hona video no e wakakra me kasa wi a meja now de wa to aso ahwa it will go to a point obeba kona ho na ogina kona ho abun se wayera nimpo oyera minim se wayena adwuma na wie ma wagya prae na to okọ se e kakra obesa ba ha hwe onso okọ reverse hwe okọ na tisa okọ na hwe odu kona ho apena o disappear hwe ogina wa obeyera to hwe o man sa so course do apena onse the one day over here o man sa course do apena oh irai odu ko na wa man sa koso se pe no disappear etina minim se wa wi okọ afi ko na ho na no obesan apia ho abiem emte na ni refi se waja ne prayer dua no David Celestine no ko se o ye jo se nyem ali ne hu buta ba bi o disappear no obesan ba ho sisi a obesan apia ho sisi a serious o ti afi obai no be skirmishes he en wasan pi no Sulu wants to say, who say or the reverse no call side o and will disappear on or san appear on was on the reverse was on the boy and one by reverse who's on side bad this time round who's so could be so all disappear one na sa de ni nkura no or san by and shadi ekura and or the abeto prai no so on or ye and you be for more no ube sorry na fia confusion basa ube dwin wa won ti ase wa say family no hwe say de oye wa de no so if you ran so na busuafo ada o anadwo ada o this is serious o and ogusu o display no this is serious said the obedu na no or yes action or prayer no so and one ogusu ye no into we pa obetena prayer no so bu wan say hwem na edna tu di ne ko ewi ase e ba ehwe eti say ye wo se wo no wo de wo kwa so enti eno ano no a asa me sure say okwhye kona no so na o vanish ye na jamase say one of the rooms to okoye because you so oba no kura bibi hwe once I say call reviews we minim say akola bi no okofa no won say hwe ade no san bono na hwe wasan de abako na wa hwe o e ho na hwe o vanish ye no hwe once wasan ire bi this time I'm so the ade kodo ne ko ade no ko o vanish ye no okofa ba hwe wasan call reviews ama ade na san eko I think say be akola no okofa no it we ade be chi bayi utimi say why ye de obeye bia so still me sure say akola no kofa no dem o e serious o etu say wasan vanish bi because all kono na hwi nkura ne nsem o ba o vanish wo no san ya pa bi mu na ade ni kura no de ne beto prae no so anim wo no e serious o yes serious ana wasan baba wasan ba bi mu once wasan the reverse how this time who says I didn't go any beam. I think say akola no kofa no e wo dem hwe hwinkura ni beam. Why do obey wi? Hwe who say fe odi asa hwe. Why do obey wi o sa hwe? Why do obey akola na wi? E no sa no. Eh wi ase pa ni. Abusia o da no abompaye de wabusu na ahye nyameza o including o house na nkasa na manyami gya no soja no wo fi ho na baifo no ba wodu agya na hyehye na ma na aduane o nya sa pa de ahwe won se watampaye no wawie o watampaye na pa obe obo se obe yira hwe won o tanampaye no so hwe awe okọ why no operation wi okọ wawie atifo why ye adwuma ni na wi okọ Jesus. Africa. Africa. Like I said from the beginning, say Obonsam Epobia Sena. Se benyo obi a wase dada. Enyo obi na wadan Kowinsani bi obi a number bi a papa twa kondo so there's no God. Enyo no. Enyo obi on the ono bosum na aduro so no na nam na Obonsam hwehwe no. Because when you say baby on lam one day and the camp mu on nam dada nti wo de on fa ho. Na wo na waje agina mu say wo de eze de oye Kristo ni unu Obonsam ni hwiye biom ni ade no. You've seen the light no. Masa eye wo ne target pa. A wo pe wase wo. Enti wo hu nyame wa fa nyame a kurani mu yie. Na mo ani mmere won paibom. Pa ben ho hye ho den e wo nyame mu. Wan show ho den wo nyame mu pa. Chale. Say ya o. Say ya so ye Kristo ni so be hu anache se de be sie awie. Ya fancy ya. Videos of our time I did bro and no. I don't know. They mum sabi baby I do it. Hey, only you. I don't need you. Sheba, Bobo. Celestina Kwaba.
Emiao.
na say bibia da ye de
nyame adomo
nice ye de nyame ase de di kan anwumwe boy ho komo kakra the genesis of it said ye ba ya akopem say metimi ba bia na okunu frɛ me say Jerry anwumwe tie na hwɛ say na tie ana ade na me around aga me tie wie no message am dey sending no and so when ma hunya ha na anwumwe de no yententem ya chale fatum adwuma bi anu biem mo komanim e powerful afaba bi adada tuni also yes such a powerful song boy hon komo kakra e ba no say
yo me pa cho mami di kan fa chia kese matifo
Jos
anwumwe e pai fi adanse die mu niema kese bi anyame ye ma me ankasa
wow
ene me nanfofo bi ana e bompae na niema bi koso ye ya brabo mu na ankra ka se mu ni nkomodi de mu tum se na enye na anu odin na sebi eniwu sanso ya sefen enti me ne omo ye se ye behia na ya boss niama yisompae to se nya me behia no ho nimonyam in fact ye sha se bompae anche kra na nyame eye enti ye bese hie die ho komo bim na chese adansi die ne enigie nko a enti anwumi ne inspiration behind it no
wow but when I anwumi engineer be anwumi
me pato sha na ye adwuma no
Charlie chese bibia is perfect about the song that's what I told you
more players boy Dominic ball guitars Steve Beatty ball sax no Kuku and a ball horns drums near Bludo and a bass guitar Dangra.
Everybody did well on this song. Very tight production, I must say. I love it from start to finish. Muse a day and kasankasa pa. Now one ever since we release you na the video so chato so na nam ne adina so far no say na wankasa wo hunu nwom no ahoden ne de nwom ne ye
oh papa it's I am ngwa bebre because yeah Jamaica ache kakra and sometimes and bo ha wo record ya who hopes as the singer no who hopes you're so high but ebeba na nipa kire say you're okay ebi so ha wo kra no when ni she dey akoma she dey ni musa na say who need much expectation for the song but pay ya na
okay so how was this one because for me there na ye sha se me kan no mo ye anwum ni wie na ukunu de nwum ne send me and also mintie no na menhwe whatever we be that I have to say about it no menka before time was on for it to be released near there it your mama and I'm so okay I'll do that it me na me ni obi ye we bi timi adwen kra fi so timi do achimota e pe na me kai na anwumi e ho happen na me start say me tie in the car na me tie enwo no ewie ye no na me wo N1 no so aka kakra bi na madu Fiesta Royal and afi me so ma me yen repeat na repeat no e bossa ma me kodu tema na me du fie no na eguso ba NCA I'm telling you what happened no
wow
my parking car no all right akase mesia film na makọ edem but I waited till said they're not airborne ebesi before mesia fika no enti me see fie kan we am kodu ya pen I'm sending the message I'm saying look this is a very powerful song you have everything is perfect bibia you cool opa release nyom na nadria no ye den ya no e be fa
me dey me ase e dey my manager live because otie me pan ka nyum when release it.
I was coming to that said the wow can say sometimes and production you are we are which means high hopes pass away there be fa ba na some way e be on so I say this particular one oh you know How was it? Now, was it that kind of song now? Yeah. It was over there. Let me just do it.
Generally, it was a good song, but then I just say be release EP.
Okay.
EP no was 7 songs. Nanka, and you may come.
Okay.
Intina, train say at the right time we release EP. No, until no, I say, Yendi can release way. But to me, no, from me, my judgment, no. And you may have EP soon, no sooner, when I need it.
Yes, and then the only one, the
to me, no. And no, I am say, a rate here, I will be lowest point for me. Aye. And also say that be, releasing new way. So I'm like, okay. And most of the time, no me who say, menina ejuma na cheninti no. Me who say asembo ho kan. Na e was a bit no. Nti me yes okay yenko. Nti anyom ne ba ye no. Ene de bia se me ka kire o. Se me ka kire o.
Ene odi kutu ofio.
Masu ebu ofio. Na ne won cry I think say Kokumase last week. In fact, me starting to me go Kumase, so music not there. Yeah. But Jack, this time we go Kumase na reception.
Serious.
From the airport to the house.
Whoa.
Your family. Like, hey, obi obeshi ambe, and I knew me, and I couldn't point to the
Oh wow.
See, Edenyamia say pass who's a Jumanisana tier
yeah.
Near Wuhono, Obinsu, you know, and Edenyamia say it's been awesome. Just last Saturday, Namo Hohoi. Okay. Hohoi for they are singing this song. I'm telling you. And it's just a joy. It's a great joy.
Wow.
Download so
Koso. Edenyamiase. We dey woka say ya na wow touch on an EP issue bi ni ade. And also want something to say.
I say only you na. I
my EP now make
I think EP no people should look forward say it's one of the first major things be ministry about early next year.
Oh okay. For now they enjoy only you know.
It is me sure say me hold you on with this song. Yeah.
Okay, so the EP say we should look forward to it somewhere in 2022.
Yes, the first
okay.
Early 2022.
Okay. But aside that you share Celestine Donko. So far how many albums now so far?
But we were 7
albums.
There was 6 complete one. Every night 7th one.
I think a 7th one. Wow. And it's been how many years? Because me kai
it's supernatural.
Supernatural.
This is my
yeah. It's been how many years now?
And that song was released in 2009.
2009.
But mental journey, about 15 years.
15 years. Whoa. Obia wo ni focus. Obia wa de a o hweso de ye de ode. Though you are doing gospel, but gospel no bi no the business aspect no almost when you grow say what I say there are some people sometimes when you talk to them and then you try to get them to understand the business aspect of what they are doing. They in the focus. So that's what they need to say.
As I said, come again.
Yeah, like as in what pushes you to do what you're doing. Say say obe propagate good news, that's and your main focus. Now so say obi on one no betimi aka Charlie, this is a business that we are doing. Fine, we say a gospel no, but Charlie business no. We say it goes hand in hand. But sometimes we say bako we see say na de o de age na say
me focus pa se enyuma anya me de do me no me so me bo modiama mansan ensa aka because I believe strongly say God has an healing gift. That were my songs. Yes, I believe so strongly. that moment, the time I mean, yes, conviction say, Minya Sajidi Mapase, Onum Toye Freya, Yamedia Freme, and as I did Yamedia Shemensa, Semen Never Assassin Sono. Obine share testimony with me of how na opeso no me drew na otie menyom ena onyan kran hye ene onyane own encounter nti ohwehwe me not catch me say dia nyamenyam ena menyom so ayama no me momo dia say me mfa enyom to ni serious na enyom no beba beje nipa bebre nkwa.
Wow.
So this statement say the song will save many lives. No? In fact, a great inspiration to me. Anytime bia me try ni masa aden say it was say no this is what is going out there to do.
Yeah.
Inti enona motivating me. And that feeling no said I have songs or God is going to give me song that will save life, that will heal people and stuff. No, a hunger in my spirit. It's a pressure on me. So until all the time now I'm a bomb pie say the radiankasa can say obey with the song. No. That is what inspires me. So my greatest moment is when Obia share testimony with me. Say onyomono.
The aye on a brabo.
Onyomono. I am a way. Onyomono. I am a that. It's more than anything.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's wonderful. But Celestine, Christmas and ebe do festive season be at say sana I announce we koso na anya bia no bibi efi o camp bi ba say bia jumedi bi be koso that people should look for it to it and now say bia you also by joining Crawford to do some other event be if you are on a bill or event be na
events then come planning say me ankasa me host BB before the year ends. But say there programs I say bookings there is no space for that.
Okay.
Until I said this year from now to even first week in January, my weekends almost my weekends.
Wow, booked.
Until nyamene e born empire so be my ahoden. Na feni na me tire so eba no
and also atwaso. All right, Celestine, with your open my or handles no and then I do believe that downloads near Koswane are there and then you drive people to the places that they can still get to download and then to stream your video sorry so
okay many in our streaming platforms Audio Mac, Boomplay, Spotify, TuneCore, Amazon. Just go to your Shazam
okay.
Go to your favorite streaming platform. Nato Bonabo Celestine Donko. When you abo midini pe when you type in midini pe obe say all my songs will come up. Intini a open say only you na pesa utia or cronco and a bit and kameko and download nina. Agbebolo cronco or all of them. Intibomodiana also this year this is the way artists be releasing you wait me at Toby.
Yeah.
And you any shops say it's all online. Who could tell phone I'll be to download it.
Sure.
And I feel so social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Medina Celestine Donko Music.
Yeah.
That is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Celestine Donko Music. And I feel Twitter, a gospel soldier. But you're sending me DM, I'll respond to you. Come on.
Celestine does, but let's do it. When I was away now, penny, I see me share anytime, but Uncle be comments are ever on Facebook. The way people are talking about me, why I started and no say more instrumental and but in the friend no say trim na fe. Yes, sorry so.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Come on. nipa ni mu asam kan ya be sell poto Now there's a new package. Latest member, newest, the freshest. Our Becca Gold TV package is not at home. You're finding Gold TV Super, the more the brutal. Oh yes. Enjoy more than 60 world-class channels all day, every day for the whole family. Yep, Panui and a Gold TV Super. Transform you into the best arena in the world with a WWE channel. Now for your mom and what me I explore Aquaba Magic with exciting shows like Dede Sankofa. Now for lots of movies and soaps on Africa Magic Urban, TL Novelas Rock channel, Novella Magic, and the KIX channel. And more funny in your mood on this new idea entertaining our Kiss channel being able to say Boomerang, Cartoon Network, Disney Junior, Da Vinci Kids, and the account Brave. Make your home the center for exploration on National Geographic. Now for Pan-African lifestyle entertainment and so on, then you tune into Honey. Go TV Super definitely got you covered. Mansanka yo Go TV decoder at 89 Ghana cedis only, while topping it up with 49 cedis. Let me enjoy the mind-blowing content on Go TV Super. Go TV, love it. Abusua ye dim komotew. Na fe ye wie ne sape se Scott Atnase na odi around the world in 5 minutes abre. UT 106.3 Adom FM. It is abri me guest here Akwaba na fe and yomo Eden komono ahye so abusuan for mama Akwaba na mo to say okay Eben ena Ima Dima short Ebenezer Ado ena fe Emmanuel Jim right enti Eben near eno Ima na che say Eden komono ahye so claims officer and of a national manager send with care omo ene ye nyomba be twetwe nkomo na ni na efa na se betia na ayo send with care ayo na ayo sa bibria ne adia because which one e be said na insurance e be so we test no be just bibri ene omba be cheche mu yi na yetimi atiase kama pa enti de di kan sa intermediaries Ghana Limited ayo mujubedie pa no ene ne sen
yo Jerry Dax this year that was na yetia otiefo yina so
otiefo de so
ya ka say ayo ye dwumaku bi a MTN group e dia bagana ha ye dwumadi a ye dia ne say ye hwe say MTN customer bia obenya insurance enti ne ye ne say ye wo products e wo dwaso yeah, they my MTN customers. Inti ayo no so no your customers 6 million customers e Ghana ha.
Okay.
And you tia claims 7 million claims ama Ghana for over 24,000. Adom ayo insurance no. Na ayo no so ye dwumaku eso. I started with MTN Group. Na yewo Uganda, Zambia, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria. Ehona yewa ye di dwuma ye ni so ade hu an say obi biara use MTN sim bia no obenya insurance. And one ade ayo no. Yeah.
All right. And yen share products ahodo a mo on the market so far.
Yo. Edi kan yewo send with care. Eno no ewo mobile money so. Yakwaye ebi before and I say ni pay die. Ebusua dan.
Sure.
Inti me sure say just so ba show issue. Ba me obusu ni be fro me nia pe be 1000 man pe 2000.
Minya ma eno kra na abadada.
Sa. Inti ye wo option bi wo so e friend send with care. O send mobile money obetumi select o bo star 170 hash. O select one o be option 3 send with care wo. Na wa wo so e wo ho no send this kana obusu ni. Na etene say o this kind fa sa interface no so e money pa na o the insurance account.
Oh, sir.
Yetene say Ofie studio you Kofi na bia wa yare akoda aresa bia 3 nights and over. Sikabotin na ye be 1000 and 500 na do ma webusu ani no. A on we di another akodi djuma fofo. Say scan your sound what yes and ma. Sa so na say u pray so na akoda yaresa bia ye bo home prince. Na ye di ama say wa na ebusu ani no so na be fi mu so ye bo home prince na ye tua. Na no maximum ye tua ye 30,000. And maximum for hospitalization say why yare akoda yaresa. And adwom yensan echi ekono 10,000.
Aje for mu tie ni ye wa na nkomo no mo de.
So na your recharge with care.
Okay.
And no your credit. Inti ebia what to credit 10 Ghana bia to phone so what be your call. I say my young team be 1 cedi. You recharge every month be a tete back do 6 cedis na and then maximum.
Okay.
Na maximum benefit unya ya record ya resabia 120 Ghana cedis. So for example, ebia minua na asmedofu bia otie mi ayo recharge with care ni bi or talk credits in yatete na and the benefit be 120 no ya record ya resabia for 10 days or dem 1200 Ghana cedis.
Whoa.
Eno ni sika yebetu ya dia ma. Sa so na product no so ma akwenya ebusuani bi obetumi de na atoso a se nyame masa ma ofimu so a ye wo sika botinya yetua be from 500 Ghana to 6,000 Ghana cedis. Eno ni sika yetua e de masa nipa no wona ya rehwe ayi entutu ye na de na me no be ya adwen se Ghana ha na eyi ba na e ka ba. Na eyi ni ba na anya hekra ye chekwa na se wo ka so wo e ka wa fa e canopies eni nkonwa kra weni mbeti obusuafo ni eno ne sa na iwu okra na me no ka se ebusua no ma me wo ye bo ye ba kro kra o case ni
pressure ni down
ana se bia wo na nyame aye wado watitim kakra na bia wo nkran kro mu ana se bibia utie a wo so e ka ni ada so obi a hwew o ba no so ba me sa dofo be fia kra ba wo mu hotel na nyom be dada ina udi agrabe ye wo ka na se ma ji se wa ya ayo ibi na wonya be 6,000 ato ataso and at least anya he kra na de be 4 bi kwa ye eye ntutu ye wo 2 bi a wo so wetumi de balance wo ho a eno na ade a ayo na eno no ye te wo credit from 50 pesos I copy 6 Ghana cedis eno na amount a yet every month e bi osu ye wo progressive web app app at ayo yeah and wetumi app no so ehun hia se afi na abefre obi say oh mpese me hwese yete me ana yantime bibia e wo sa app no so nti se me boni ni atofa ye wo recharge with care e wo dwaman so aye wo send with care e wo dwaman so ni wo app progressive web app that's the ayo app no so and no so wo ho a ye bo de wuru say ayo customer bia no on download ni good phone so na on fandi
but show how different is this from the traditional insurance the names insurance all that they
ye beda say ye kasa insurance asi echiba ye kan say o say insurance ya de be emre no obi say obi adin na won to insurance kasa afi na me insurance asemba metwa kwan fi mi kuro ba cry no kura no ba cry ya ma phone say churo to ho na wasan ko back but na ayo ni ye say bibia e seamless oti wo fi wo phone nko a obetumi aye ayo ebi osu no e wo fem kura o credit na na yeti 1 Ghana na pese ye beti e no na ye beti 2 Ghana 3 Ghana akopem 6 Ghana cedis na me sure say obi ebiare ni akra say obi you book to credit na de obetumi e de ya den ato ha obetumi atibi amount inti ayo no ena eno so ye digital inti eno be bibiara wo bi anya fe na obetwa kwan akọ fill forms akoye bibi na eno no phone no so a say recharge with care no star 296 hash no phone so bo apa na ebie ena say okra na oni mu kra otumi ni kire odofo bi say ana frame 100 kra na ka say oh it's an person me no obetumi aye na insurance na amount a utua any claims because boss ya share your customers say o yare a ye betua na nya fe na be yare ansa na obetwa kwan aba akra eno no be biara wo biara no obetumi ayo insurance ni bi na wo be biara na MTN so ye de ho adom no so no ntini be biara ye wo biara Ghana ha biara no obetumi assess ana say bibi na ohia fi eno na ema ayo dance so wo all insurance products and as a companies and war.
Okay. Yenhwe ade ba kwa na ta ha adwen. Cause am say na no ada bi pese me do krofo bi so ye bi ni ade afe me kra me kai boys yi kra me o me adwuma me ye o mu na me ye bi obi afe o am so adna expire then me pacho anya bi mo de expire na mo cover no se me
justice but as a cheerful insurance bia ewo expiry date me gidi say motor insurance kwa ewo expiry date after a year ampa ayu so already odi ho dom ayu na so odi ho bata ayu after 30 days bia we say utumi then renew policy no after 30 days no one to airtime yen to me anya deductions policy no expire.
Okay, it's not just me obi a yen find me very active pa me usage no a copper and I don't have to worry about the renewal because all the time no me to
all the time no to airtime day by day bia no to airtime no say no only problem obo o yen ma sharp na say for the whole month to airtime bium and so no obi say no ya advice say all the way ma sharp na say o visa na say to extra airtime say be ya with me to premium say be visa eto a betumi ayi den ayewo mo
okay and it's not just say this is how it works in that period no say bend na so you be our mashup so you be our offer bi sunti no on top airtime crana you need to buy say the bear you bet me for premium no
now what for no say ban say policy no ebe expire automatically send a message as a reminder say kai will say oh minya in the next 2 days and as a date we no policy no be then ebe expire to airtime no to premium so na be ya bibi to a ubenya insurance cover.
Okay. Ebe ma tie for bom no more questions bi o mo bisa but quickly yenhwe mo claim process net same because ye can ade ba kwa ya na ma for insurance sem no o mo person bi o mti bedi no premium tu ande ebe kwa na ade afi atrechem na ba na nipa ni hia say satan na sem bo na ai bibi o mo process net same.
Okay, just as me that say ayo process na me nwa imaka no bibia digital enya efi na ko fill form bi hospital hobra anase ko fill ko bra office na be fa form yenye form nsem bia bibia digital e wo phone so obo say *296# eno na yesafo a obo a obetumi afa so den ayewo claim na se opese o ye claim se no kan no policy na yembie no anase benefit na bi no e hospital and a life na se opese o ye claim a obo *296# e wo phone so no select option 1 to continue. Now for the option 7 never baby no for claims. Now we follow prompt no. We are automatically no Jerry Justice. We nya message ewo phone so. Message ni mu no ube say WhatsApp number be MTN number be ewo. Sa number no was claims number.
Oh okay.
Sa number no it for yesterday mo sa number no ye free. Do be na say hospital na gi wo to ya. Wo hospital card OPD card no. Who itemized bill, who discharge letter, and I say, excuse duty. Doctor, I stamp so I endorse if you hospital ho. We training in our pictures, it go phone so. Now if you WhatsApp number never was save your phone so no. Once I hi, keke amasa WhatsApp number no. We won't say automatically no. Papa ayo ebe send a message. Now I follow prompt no there as send a document. Who link bi wo, who click link na so ba ko upload o document no.
Okay.
E was so. We speak say bia say me buso ni dey free mu. And I say do no why policy no so dey free mu na beneficiary meji a enkrata be na mehia. Oh, dey hia dey kan say wa o ye claim be hia ID card. Buso ni so a we free mu no so be hia ni ID card. Na fe just zuji tu mu say Ghana ha say buso ni free mu a dey for hospital hospital on krata dey mano. And I say we mu fie kra na say we dey koto mortuary on krata say mo de shey abeto fridge mu mortuary ha eno so krata no ehu behia yen pa afi de Ghana ye wo bibi friend death certificate say na ye wo obi a man birth certificate no saa so na obi free mu a ye man no death certificate eno so ehu hia yen pa saa document no obetwa ne pictures kama ehu hia so be buy your office wo boss star 296 hash e wo phone no so option 1 continue option 7 claims na if you follow prompt no upload document na brain eno anu within 24 hours no I was say it me frel
yeah be for lie yamatie from rem 0302216561 0302216562 en komo ayedie e bia emu ayode but bibi chire wadwen kakra feel free ne friend never question bra na omo ahedie yenyi anoma wansana omo amomusu akọ wuhia me na obisebisa me a me how pa hello
brother.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It is saying
Machayo.
You're from saying you're from saying
no my baby.
Sister you're from saying
me in fact you're from Angela Beku.
Okay, Angie, you do.
Ayo we no my baby but am me mashup. Inti minim say semidika na mindika. Inti mbata mi.
Okay, all right. You take note of that one. I am for now. I am now. I am say no common na yedi na elia no. You find next caller. Hello. Hello. Oh, sorry. Hello. Atiafaso. You try. Okay. Answer that one.
Okay. Just be that say. You remember offer or say or you mashup. Now person who say or you active and also when you active. And they catch and say utaye mashup. Auto either say oye mashup 10 cedi into oye direct from mobile man and auto airtime 10 cedi per no the mashup e ba ne sana are you end to me end that premiums no enti bibi to a unni cover the best room one say we be auto 10 cedi the mashup to e be at 11 cedis and as 12 cedis so na bia obetumi ayi den etua premium na se sebe o ya record hospital ayo atumi ayi omoa and as ebusuani a we na to insurance no to free mu a yetumi ayi den ayi omoa the best rate for say o me nesa amaye
okay you go so ayi na me so omo sort out you know hello yes good evening Patrick Frost saying
Bere Brakwe
you kwekudazi eti o
my insurance ni be bet me mashup but me nim who yi papa si mo de ba na me busa ho asel
mashup for group say no munje bua na de ma nti pacho mashup no de why but say be na insurance no enko ba say e be ya na tiafa so di no e wo mu a say bo so me ne ba ye kakra na wato airtime kakra now the aina mashup ya munde for you find next one hello
Right, Lemon. Looney. Good afternoon.
Patrick, it's you. You're from saying?
From Florence.
Okay, Florence, it's you.
Patrick, maybe says, oh, person would ya, I know over any day.
Who person would ya?
And I am by person, Mijay.
I just have the wedding was when you know. Anyways, you better ask now. Yeah, they home in where bro. Hello. Sorry about that. Say bia we don't want question insurance maybe a wire to some time and then opese ujai and ho asem.
O we biare ni ho a odi bia what say obi on ni di bia episode ja no hokwa.
Yeah.
You be picking a number na chiri ya friend but ni be say ni is onko MTN office bia. O de okwa, mama na ka so pese ujai. O de onko ka say omo nchire ni mu na onkomo bia wo ho a ebia na echire na adwin nti a opese ujai na wokọ MTN office bia na ye wo emrante ne maba wa ya tete omo wo ho a omo ya yo omo na obedi nkomo na ebia ebi kura de currency a opese o twemu kura na ebia de kitu ye bi then nkomodie bia wo ho bia no nkomedi
all right hello
JJ.
Yeah your friend say evening okay you too
Me paso ma registered na eumwa na ya sendo test you need to check to how I do ni kaba and so I na me wo credit And I feel so the beneficiary or only ID card. In case I'm in with you. In case you buy or by then beneficiary now.
This is a very beautiful question, I must say. Already, why? Let's attend to
Nene dear no. Sena yedi kan. So credits in there was so kwan ya bet.
Okay.
And ebia na ye peculiar ayibia nti ebia yent na.
Okay.
Ne amedikan kan say oben kofrida office wo ho. Onko ye we raba kama bi wo ho a obeboa no. Na ne bana woni ID card no. May sure say obebro 18 years. Say ebia undi 18 years na. But may sure so abro 18. Internet bia on the okwa on your mundi sa nkomo no. Na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a but na etene say ono no maame no te ase a na beneficiary na say ne caretaker ye sheda ni contract.
Oh, okay.
Biasa but this say bia manu susumi na so bia onyame aton sa afra na say bibia ansa na ba na but edu ho so kra na okọ branch na ye kwan ye be fa so a you to me aboa no.
Okay.
Ebi ID card bi na man quickly ebi health insurance man akwakoye na wode aba na ya hwe procedure na man na ya bomb because Ghana dey see the ID card dey obia wo ti mesan so afa so ahye ne nkran say ye be sre no isan nyoma bi nti no ono nkoye na ID card na bi sei no bia say cheche kra na say ba obenya but onkoye ko for the office na oni omu ye call for ne ndi nkuta ho.
All right. A brenti your friends na bibi amodi betwa to mo fama na insurance but etiefo amutie I am loving what is happening on our Facebook page wono. Ayo for na chess omo kon high tech pa amafo bi e the questions afa fa untina me krama say kai wi this session pe na me fa kakra na me dia but ayo for na nkasa kra na aba ho asha say attended to questions na mu bisa on our Facebook page wono omo mamo answers no obi wa ne den require say or send DM wa mo ache say yen sa ne ade anti no I think say it's good etu o question bia kra na obetim dia kwa Facebook page wono ayo for na live obehu ayo Ghana omo asha say answer some of the questions na manfo bisa on Facebook ono na yetimi e dey atwas from then ti ye wrap up no dey ye dey sorry so
yeah just me that same but say me chire itifo na your customers kwan on betimi ai den erichi en kakra okay they say you were 3 social media platforms so
okay.
You were Facebook, you were Twitter, you were Instagram and the FN IG at Ayogana okay. Yes also app and as no app.ayoforyou.com meanwhile ima ebo so after the WhatsApp number being so I know there wait me a chat live 24/7
okay
you just say there send hi see obi wo ho obe no obe chat say na we no mo chat Facebook see no no say WhatsApp number person me boss so kakra say na bia obi wo issue obi timi ne a chat wo so number ne 0596 918235 0596 918235 I feel there so we nyina echi o madwen so ometumi afre MTN 100 na ombe direct omo amaye okay that's it
yes we da wanse pa ima ene eben nchechimnu ye ewomu a na mumra na yenye ni se ya na mafo to mo aso mo konso echi abusuafo ni na why all right Charlie come on here tight come on pa Ade bi say ebebo amusa and dey on say no FNC musa ne ade so like I said Ayofo na active on your Facebook page was see as we speak enti questions bia wo bia no wantimi anya kwanya amfre ambisa patrol you can type your question or your streaming your Facebook on see Ayofo no live on be answer e the amount correct that's what it is. Okay, it is a see on a time no call but kwan bia so say timi ye bibi kakra enti around the world in 5 minutes Scott Atenase eno ye say wa over the weekend me call Minister Michael Danso ne album launch Ebenezer Methodist Cathedral wo Medina. In fact it's a very beautiful place. I saw down there more of brutal na the event went out beautifully. Anyom to for buy nyina nyamisha mu nyina Kuda, Charlie, serious. And the daughters of glorious Jesus. Oh my goodness. I was for me what daughters knew me or be auntie knew that me bomb me as my point. I can't 1 second my pon cry me boss and mama was na ma ho. Me pena me was and they were marvelous. Na program na say wa so dem no me MC kakra na me betra so me tie chiro betu save our and I say hey. And then I was already. And then I say wow.
Brajery.
Akwa babinia.
Yenu abrapeni.
Se bibi aboko de.
Yake ni anya kura ko kaachira mo.
Ebe yi nyame te ase.
Ya fast than farmer Jinifu.
Sure, definitely.
Oma ya de. Jini sunflower cooking oil.
Okay.
Jini rice, Jini mayonnaise, Jini Jini sadi. In fact, Missy Brunia bakutu na koton anasa fabi ko gufie na fa ye aduane.
Ne fie nye de.
Ne fie nye de o matete so. Je number ne ne ya 0540 108 531 0540 108 531. Brajery.
Yeah.
And Monday. Ain't no econoboko. He is like a father to me. That is how Sugar Daddy started in 1925.
Now he.
Oh, he is like a father to me. That is how Sugar Daddy started in Ghana in 1925.
Okay.
In 1925. Dating a Sunday born is like trusting Jesus. Very special. Yeah. I know what in the past. One say, this is how Emma introduce you on my boyfriend ne ho nya fe. Eche ne namfofo. Okay, over. Hi ladies, meet my boyfriend Jaco. Don't look at him like that. Oh, he has money. Sana you introduce him. Don't look at him like that. Oh, he has money. You see? Into no say oh ya be man. O ma introduce you say na just say the prayer me mo na enya den enya fe. Ani.
Okay.
Ena enya fe.
Okay.
Brajery. Me time no ko.
Yeah.
Na wonim say Nigeria me na wo kase. Sisi egungun ma do so pa o. Enya Ghana ngwan o. Na 25 years old man bi. Wetimi e de sekan awo ne nyonko be ma yefunu se so ekuno. In fact wadai no enye asem ketwa. Na Brajery wolf won so eda ho a etu yefo. Almost say I say ya fan
World Health Organization.
Yes,
okay.
World Health Organization. Almost say ya fan say I say COVID no e ko bi say almost say
unim say ene ayi me yeah, you know, let me say car na me use na box na me how do you call it? Me face mask no woman. Yeah. Me car me use you na manfa adina tumtino. Say na ba ko pe bi na ene no so atofom. Do you say me tia me shebi? Na de turn about na ne turn na me. Ye ni one na me den. Anytime I put on face mask now crofon as I don't pay face mask shit too much. I don't I doing what I'm
but almost I say because
yari nin course but who shall not go for I don't know and I was at the Facebook to be commenting on Facebook was say why am I wearing face mask all the time now even in Kwamo studio accreditation hey na me Kwamo ha
Brajery men kasa wo mo na na World Health Organization e ka say my emfa ne say eko almost sere ene na mu pa ene ntino obi an koso an mo ne ho ban na on protect no ho ma me fancy ha
okay
Nansa na meko na will tell you something. Share de bia me ka say yen ne abrofo ni difference wo mu.
Okay.
Gradually share this fan say. Broni ba introduce ne boyfriend ache ne namfofo. Ebi o introduce ya. Wow, he's very cute. Abrofo no sa no beka no or kan asamde ache no. Ga na ni ba introduce pe ne namfofo no beka say o me de ka che ne say komode. Atenkura na. Di enkura ni. Me de ka che ne say komode.
Ka che zi ni di.
When you know free. When you know free. Gradually.
Yeah.
You see, having sexual intercourse with a short girl is sometimes funny. Having sexual intercourse with a short girl. It's like you are changing diapers. Me dey the sex court. Yeah, French ni beka cho se jebel. Na tesa brother ni utete tesa den krana.
On benyambo.
Makra brother.
Already is was many. Oh, that short girls you on the boom pair one day. I'm German penny phone kasa na enfa irrigated sports entwaso.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen.
Didn't this Sisi Chum? Now they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mity manage.
Moi, Denny Sham, Fast Sports one. Irrigated Sports, Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
And I say,
Open Gangnam Style.
Mayo.
Kwagu.
My.
Ya ni aminia.
Na abun mutu saying.
Oh, nyankupa adom. Nyame adom si atia CD. Nyame ayebi. Nyame ayebi. Ene ye chan da no fiada.
Nyame ayebi.
Ene memenda. Ene kwasiada. Nyame ayebi.
Ayebi pa.
Nse nyame a nkasa brinki nkati asifo na so nyame adom nti. Ene wode adom na adom ya me atia asia na chesasida na de ma na ene so ebinum di on birthday idi na ene kwabra ne timi kunkun ase kokoko kwa o hamponi wo hampo minim ze birthday no a o die no ene kwa de wajiwa cross aka ho oh debi ba enyo no nkwa ne di birthday
o ade
no nkwa ne di birthday no nya so kunkun na
enti obi di birthday na nti o ye hu sei za
jiwa wo ho kunkun na
ti
kese ho check sa eso no nya check
debi ti o debi ti eye on a class of folk level na ne ye idia na ne birthday so de eno so de nka won ne twe ho diary say
o wa say birthday no
I don't know what I say.
As for na say na ma no.
Oh, masa. Cry ni baby. Kwame.
Kwame body.
Akwaba. Oso hwe hu ye. Oso hwe hu ye nwanya ka kaswa fo kasetia. Hwe ye nwanya.
Se krobi ka tro se obi. Unu obi so yo ma.
What try afọ ma konfo pa da to no ye ni wu.
Nka boni o.
Mo de kaswa ye wo.
Osa ka to tibujumbura mri akwaku. Ani asesa ni ma kan
kaswa. Joga so tibujumbura mri
Opekuma. Yeah.
Opekuma zeko.
Davio, na o heaven na out. Tell what take as one.
O de no.
Now take. Heaven na out.
O nyanya no.
O nyanya no.
Kaswa now to nyanya no.
Na Davio, you
there's any central region Gasapa.
You know
Western bypass one abefa but area honey for say lawyer.
Lawyer.
Who you know?
Adade.
Kaswa Adade.
Millennium City.
Yeah, Millennium City. Who you know?
Just central region mu na out no. Why do you say Greater Accra there? Ultra Greater Accra. Why not we say Greater Accra part the on trail? Say or not central na say baby what is Eastern region.
I will talk about
airport is there, yeah. To let me, rent.
Why? The time I know Uluma just na one bobbing. Open your honor, Okanam say by 5 o'clock. You say a far phone biaba. You better take it.
5 8 p.m.
Yes, that's no call. No
come. Yeah.
By 7, I'm going to go. Your palm microphone and Pasaba. Mitra son. Yeah. Trust 7, taking 7. We are Mitra 3. And you trust 7, or I say, Mitra more fast. Mitra Minion will be in Amalade because you warm up. Just what this guy trust 7. I'm past on them, sir. I'm saying, why then I want to say, we're PH Robert, no, Nippon no bus stamp on us. See me, same.
And see me, some of me, boy.
Now, okay, see me, same one fast stamp on 1 and 7. So, already announcement there. Yeah, on when you bet ya. Open it one fast stamp. Oh, no, never can. Yes, be on one.
Set our squad.
What do you mean this guy ticket 7? What the encounter? As a malady, me could you warm up. But opening and then I mean, ransom move in your comment. Kind of reason you're supposed to take. If you also make a become home. Okay. Kwame, an epitome of Obrefo. Yeah, the cast will be Obrefo and he never gives up. What I said, and Yankopon so and Usrano na Insrano is secretary of Yankopon say Omumpina is in any efi. What I say?
Oh, because when you are just when you have just a wound, no patches. What is it say? Who you can see me if you ever manage. Oh, come me. A tricas and just who you. What do penny fees? 40 years, I'm and no baby, and those are the man and Casa Fenman when you fear that.
Yankupon mentioned Moon Peace and said, "This is coming and if what's that beneath you?" And send your number. The fact that would you baby the fact that would you baby in says, "Oh, Pine my margins and my boat 50 am a day, but and 1 idea. Now, Yankupon Mana Hoarding and then Quatinting. Nimum Sicano, Omad Rona, Many Monimu ye, Sabayadi and a corn draw. Obedience and a doctor to be. What I say? Car no the person Trimono. Yeah. Obey no a betri bi ansa no afa driver. Ana akra wetimi atode de na kuma. There's a video bi. Oye German akokra bi. Papa na nyia mo adu impani fie so pa na tune amount for Lamborghini you the boys need to and then need home. I feel na ni sika timi abo ano na papa na tobi da. Papa ni si afika ni ano ate ahwe. Who say aka send the chero. Anka nem na timi no plan anka say onya ka etwi. Speaker ba ku say photo bi e ba e kra utimi say nem o mututi ani ni eyi bi e ba ya na bi e ba. Kan mu de no. O mu pega ni ne ba ka emu. Say Yankopon say ma o mani nkoduru sa mpempen so na nsa sa bra no de hia ne ahode what you say see ye de ye hia sika de abobra ye hia ho bambo what you say na o mani mu maso nye duntia na tamfo de odwena dwenbo ne Yankopon empangu na onane ni nhira mfama no amen kwame de me kan say Yankopon nhira. Amen.
bibia be fine
na osoro so boa de oboa no nti ya na so wa be nyame kakra why
so I will catch me what send the bed so I be catch
na de kaka
e ba me choose me nyame
kan ne bone ne de
oni me na ma choose me nyame ya kada
kwame
ono na ekọ na eba eno oni wa na mo tuo ono na ekọ na eba eno oni wa na mo tuo
weekend me kwa agogwa sante achima gugu no bi sam say oh na kwame we bia me du bia no bi sam say oh we
enti je say me go fadam for o na azu me nyame go fadam
de me nka ze ne go fadam
o se me ntwe men
me say aya no abenya no because benyame aso you asem
me wo da house me sam for benje
o re tia na aso tia nyame na aso o ben
obi so nim say me wo san ka se me nko obi agogwa tim say me menya e say na me go benya me
se ko sia de wa so na wo ye mutu wa nti na me ye se
Baby, oni pay ono ne nam eno oni wa na mo tuom eno wo hu se o men nyame
na so ben papa yi a se wa ru
me ben pa me kasa wote ono so kasa mete
edu ko si ana wo de ne yemenda na menda wo MC ko si na so mutuo nti bra be na ade ehia no
mami na nyame ase mama
mami
anya so dem ne nyankopon wo tom anya mi bebe ha me
ka so dem
anya so dem ne nyankopon fa so otiri
men ka so dem o me se bra be
ko se dem bo so wa ntimi kwa sore
men ka so yo me se bra be na
service to mankind is service to God.
Yes.
No, but the Bible so say, "My nya ye ho nhyiamudi da." Nti da kokura out.
Me ni me get say ofie we awe.
No, Yesu di Yankopon di na muhia.
Yankopon di won di be say o. Say Yankopon di won di say o. One of the creative. Say we Yankopon di bi asia.
When go get asia.
Munya isa case we na mo no aka na say why because kwame una our platform no dey ni eti.
Kwaku me danyame ase mama. And me dey bia me kase God has been very good to me. Nigeria for you money papa base much producer no come papa but if you do nothing for me you are God enough
over anyum no movie mu ana
said ya anya de betimi abo
you are good
anya soundtrack
anya de anyum betimi abo na de ye de
oh we ni ma wo
na said we ni me da unu ni mabo me check say we asem ade no so ade ni ye so say
o de for ni ko bia no bia send nyum ne title na
papa base bra pe hwan mu ye mama Nigeria for but Jesus you are good if you do nothing for me
you are
God now but orema what is on that
you me kra no orema me nim no hu ko nche
sorry nim say present
you go be so nche
nyina me ko mo nyuma feda
you are done enough
asimni
Judike
yes and I know the title today
and omemma omemma it's a very beautiful to munya mani but kwaku we dey hunu nyum na aboma me na me danya me ase mama brabo esa say yenya esisi sumi ma come na fo bebre yie yeah I'm telling you classmate e be university e be secondary school e be so makoye bebre na
oh yeah classmate bebre wo
yeah me say me
ti no bi on mo obo bubu a e say obo bubu adwen ho no
me say me mu ye kura me say me wu amayiye be ye me na fo be ba na fa cause say omo wu ye ye call no
no mo mu ye omo na be bo ye
ye me come tiase
say omo tiase
we ye microphone e call no obi e call akoto
e be ene e amemfa ne sa
obi e call tie
emfa show trim da say wakọ yiye bi amana ba du wa ye
me anya me ba no me ka
so say de mo wakọ ye obi de sa no bi ba be ye wo de
say your boys your boys a year no sa no baba ma yi sa na me
kwa me na kwani kwa so kan wu asem
me ka si asem so
da bi apetri
enti kwa ku de me ka nyina ne se hwedi ampoma ye nkwatente eno an ye nya ahodi wo mu ana Benz no so maka che ne se o de beba o ma nya ntem de che se me mpa Benz ya me de be ko check up de bi kan wo jase na me de chire no ntuma kwa bi kwa ni
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Oto na sa chere
ni eno ani
Yesu
wo so ye pe na tiefo no botum wa o mnyo unta tie pa
tiefo ben
go bia sane ete ne kwaku me ko ye tie tie
me ba mami enye yi infia
mo ba mo ni bia ba
happy birthday na more grace and favor. And your dear, why? Sky. And yet, now you're telling catch and yet, and yeah, Miss Mitten and catch it. Your pennies and your to me.
We know, I hear you into no, I wasn't Kwama Matenenka.
Kwaku, Chinese way this year, no, God bless you, your power, but Mumba and Mumuka.
I mean, yes, because he said, Dan, baby, yeah, oh, Mammy, come, Mammy, you can be my mama for just says, Unya task, any testament, who say yes, cement, and Casancasa. What you say? And I said, toilet pot no crown, Yampe, a China, the enemy, a piece of Indian. Who's a paper when you do to be caught and I make nti Spain dia China dia na ya na oya umia na akokem nenzo ni o de o ti Spain dia no ti enu mu bia obi a bedu everyday ye kwa akogye ne dia bro kwa me ya ton ya de no nya no adu
that's kwaku abani de na me kanya ne se anyum asam ne wanyum ni mo se nyankopon na hwe ba me biem krampo a because you see nyankopon se na me wo ya o de me wo asa kra be 10 years I can't complain. I am not rich.
God is good.
But I'm happy.
God is good.
Yeah. It is the next 10 years, come abroad when you see a crank. Meaning to Kobiako. That's what I'm saying. He does nothing else for me. He's still God.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Amen. Okay, instruct them kakra for Kaswali man.
Oh, Kaswa for instruct them there. I mention them.
Kwame so mpe minshira dia. Kwame wanya mfie say.
See, I'm in my 40s.
Yeah, I'm in person. Specific.
I'm in my 40s.
Why I say Papa
40 no. 45 no. Aka Fana Medimensafa when you I say 45 now.
Okay, how old are you?
Ya me kan say
how much me pen obi anim age.
Anya no credit.
Pen obi anim age. Na sa kwa me unim age.
Na say me manyi.
Kwa me. O dada mi asa.
You calculate my age with you. Say your age onto the microphone.
Me say
census for number o mama me bisa age.
Ono no ati ono. You are just 2 years older than me.
As I now you born me.
As I am 7 age. And I was really age do and say.
Na mo age dey mutimika.
Who ni me age so why you tell me say you don't know?
For tennis here.
I'm say bra ko kwame.
Afani kawas na mo house of focus am kakra wa.
Ai no na me de
o ka house na mama.
Ai nyabotre. Obo de kwame nyankopon twedi ampa wo nhira Nwonya okese
birthday no so na
we bia news and chance about allow cash out na be good nuafo
ba me say the team we be nyimre no
for sure obotom
e be do nyimre na ma
for sure obotom
nyimre ma bibi pofu wa da
na to so to
e na so ye
e se bia chance mo na bo
obiri na adwen so ye o show a
ono be bia na
openi US o say o ma trinkwa
Trinkwa. Emiti da. Uma yeso kra. Oyo be oti dis ye. Obi e dusu ke momo.
Na o cheche mu.
David. Wanya de.
Na yi ana opani.
Na sande ende e be si ache. Say do see here. Me kra me tenchen kra na. No mani aja makwa.
Opani so ma Trinkwa.
Ade o ye ye. Obeji nchian kra. Ojina me menem. So just here.
Eti gaminga ne say.
Opani mi da say.
And obetwa cake.
Okaje openi say. Ya twan nchian.
Na o cheche mu say na o cheche mu na house of okunya 110 years.
Yeah, 100 years.
Nti uno mbembe na nyame ani mi.
Onyo mbembe say 110
nyame ani mi house of folk.
Anti ada ni dey.
Eno. Obi amonya mfinhia o ha ni du. Hwe cake house of folk utwa. Brantan de kutoka bani mi hu bida.
Asa man no hwana suma.
Abi mpanimfo ni bia. Chesa brantan de kuta no di twa cake no. Na be dey.
Dabi enye
na say we are sure say official.
Listen to me. Oh, opening.
Go mu twa no.
GTV uzo mo no partnership ya mu yimo.
Dabi we no there. When the and you know dey atu keke wenye emi ata ne dia. Dabi no has na ne dia. Akwa no okuta sika njo.
Papa ba akopɛ dia.
Akwa no okuta sika njo has na ne dia.
Am making sense.
Kwame metawachi. Kwame metawachi.
Aso kwado.
Me wo picture no ba bi na say ana papa ho ananso ma no.
Ono nyo so ya so training ground so
he's doing his own thing.
Kwame.
2 weeks about that.
I'm saying a technical team for Nivea.
No.
Where down your day where they Obia
Suman. A symbolic move, say, oh yeah, in the name of the club. Oh yes.
Audience, look at the back.
A whole club Kakakai.
There's nobody
track against me.
Wait a minute. Where unofficial Metawachi.
Unofficial crown.
Metawachi. Papa, when is one? Papa,
I bet one was Adom FM 80 birthday. Near see a cake and a beer in your cake.
I mean, go on and not to be done. Minquama Pump this year. And I'm going to make trouble to be a cake.
Hey,
or any packet.
And your official, this is not official. Asamnasa.
You official
Mutano.
Ah, you said nice setup to way. Possibly. Kwaku
be a papa me.
Asama I have a car I am a DJ Semet maybe Pimo and say how to for coach no.
Different truthful. Kwaku. No last week. Your boy.
With a lot of people around our official team is a way. There be waiting on no Kwanso. Wait, ladies in a ladies in there want I am suspecting say omuna ye no onu ko gina echi ko
because there's no way say oh yeah MC or aware ni ade ase nye sekan e da ho na no be the creation for the between
ba cake no so unu sa no
agukotwa mura be akoma
unu sa cake no nko yie sa so
obani cake so hunu sen
oh yeah
ya dia no take ni
eti de nyame ayam yi pa
ya no take kenye ye ni
ya de anu ye de ya keke
I'm not going to go. Never birthday idiot. I'm because you say cake you want me can want to say you don't even know the content of the cake.
There be sometimes it's not about taste. Cake the beauty of it how you decorative.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
It will beauty.
Yes.
Okay.
Beauty lies in the eyes
of the beholder.
Last
one me cake bi akwa bi koye man ge ewi achiri kra ne ge ne ja no. Na oni ha.
Beauty lies in the eyes from the Wabo matches 4. And some must have to America. I want to go say circumstances have changed.
I feel to go and say
things like baby whatever. I like the Grusa relegation hunter.
Relegation.
As a time, Yadom entering Cobabia, almost Jalabia and Dubai. Now Africa. It's also when sharp, sir. Now trouble 4 matches and some more rise here.
Yeah,
I cannot say more 4 matches and when your energy at the ball. I don't go to 11 points. I'm 2 low chrome 11 points. On to net are hungry for success.
Yeah.
We are hungry for what I say. As of my winning and a puffer. Me got 2 shots or something. Me buy
2 shots. No, you go. Cake in Fatuso.
Me buy one.
Mine say a beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. If you come with your birthday, made this cake way brewa. Yes, some now become family.
It is the love behind it, not the size of the
cake. Behind the cake. Refresh what the name say.
It's about the love behind the cake.
If you just imagine, say, who do our done every no be a cake? What I say, net den on the yan and yet a
Kwaku, Tom Benz got 207. 207 so same Benz. Tom Benz, you used to got 207.
Okay,
wait,
and yet beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
Behold, an Ankasa Krahu, Johnny.
Blasters. Kwaku, who say you started your house before you been a blaster for you. I press it in your bob pole, so goes like a seer, and Jim Margins, Koya Nimono, near the agro. See our teams are Yalis Tom was here on the boat, sir, you know, dear. One knockout, one in the Kwaku.
The ambition playoff,
no, dear. Tip me, yes, sure. I'm not a prophet of doom, but I bet say Ghana be say things be. Oh, and
the other day no mo kaya say ma me kaya. Me say sometimes when you are meeting a toughest opponent no eno mo mukura na otimi fa no fala ko e bia na si enra yi
nipa nya komayare wo kroma
na me kan enra no na si pressure microphone this year so
sitting on tenterhooks enye papa
team ni de enye
akwa friend pesita wo se won aman onya mo pe na pressure na waje na no ho fimfim bi sa
ono so de ball no onimbo
don't push us through this
na defenders yi akwa ba ku yi wo na nimu a
me say
ode ni fa ho no
enra de
watwa ponku yi
coach na coach referee na mo ko nhia bia mo nhia no
na coach so atwe ko tintin so onye change
da bio na coach no enra ayi na hia no
na na so so won ho
as a coach no wa go too much o ba enra de am hu no
na shout because coach no be ka de
enra de say dem hu no na nko yi
de me ti enze eye no 80th minute iko na fi the pressure by so me say na on sesen bi and also on sesen pa ba kokra ne strategy no use na say on so say they didn't even come we abre we to papa so also onye obi amfrim
on va za monyi
we kwa boy oyi ni frim yes so am so onya no bi etina man ni frim nti ayi maso kuna to so hwe a okwa no aba no otu adu na ko no aba
omo maso kwa de na bonsu obi kra
so omo kan also onyi obi amfrim on na ye head or team said open on no
za no pen kata pa mu no sorry
South Africa for
Charlie
but
no but me unim say me say me shad ni din ani say na we there yeah
obeni me need doubt to be a penalty dia arho ne say yeah yeah comment on hu nyina ye just one angle and the show say football so they say baby akwa sometimes they say premiership here boy but but you the benefit of yes the other angle now
we sure say yeah in South Africa for nya penalty
the same thing
oh yes opening ball contact but you so be entwe no so we kura na hu ye na hu say enye da severe no contact near that severe no who say akwa na nsa wo na chi it's a very
don't know akwa no course but
referee no kra no eje ball akwa na gaza kwa no one retaliate and one respond
football I don't have to retaliate
no most of them do
it's not
no mo defender ba ko je red card
alasan say
onu say attack akwa no so na enye kese bia say wo say man card je penalty create has etu o proteste okonyina to say oyobi o camp but okonyina to say ne buofu
you don't have to
but no it happens Kwame
but it's not right
when you na ade ye ne say South Africa for no so yesu a defender crash o mo so e strike as contact so ba say
one year
no o mo so ho no
amate dey
enye penalty
and you see who say the adini so it happened right where the referee was he was not far from the scene. No Ben's action. So what I say, hey, he was not far from the scene.
Penalty to her. There are thousands of penalties. I had any roguy. And I said, where you cry? Any penalty.
Penalty will cry. And then said the number you two.
Oh, yes. Even Jordan cried.
Because I'm on the far side network. Oh, Charlie.
Sabo say Jordan.
TV so you be in tibia who say no dey o boy wait ma bobia no opera.
Na me sa kire no.
Oh, na kire no. Commentator you kere.
Oh, na say. Bobo no anyhow.
Debi no Ofi.
Oh, German.
Oh, German.
Oh yeah. Obo St. Paul you.
Oh, shit.
And German, yeah.
Bobo the ban
and teams like Senegal, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Nigeria, Egypt, Ivory Coast, Cameroon.
Cameroon only go baba ko be free mu.
We dey go see.
My yenodwe ho kakra san na the teams ya ba wa. Because enra say me edu ba bi na fe dem akoma kra me ya. Because pressure bo ko mu a.
Na makoma. Chese me ne krampo de na ye me ya players and chances are. E ba no mo boguo no. Na ball clear chance. Chire.
me can send you one fan asem. Me can say give it to me house of folk match no postpone. Because beya de sasane ba lock no
ati ba we want me come here last come match no out of come
and no nya me na fa nya school nya has nya e bi na ke e go blaster we
eti we so fa so be
o de se me boa enya school nya has nya me na boa ya ge wan ya bi na ke go pie ke go e pa wa me boy en ran
are ba go ke go ye boy bon kran
me kan senka kwasi ada no
o senka
bo bia ni baby bo bia ni baby
dabi am de so akasa asem no say Europe some bo aye qualifiers now omo league no mo but Ghana had ye bo qualifiers pa na ye league no enti no madam for ba kono send me say say dey we say Ghana for ye 2-1 am
because basa spiritually na say
it's for the best
because teams no fabi we fabi
football is your favorite last year Europe mo bo ayi a qualifiers ya mo
we are see there esi maharism ebi say na ba bi yi say
e ba say there
hotel e call ayi last year enro am keep am be dem ne ho ha young boy nanti we kwabra ne yesi ne kwan say
obet my hotel
obani
my number 1 goalkeeper
yeah kotoko ne has folk supporters difference o mi yaketu bi and say has for supporters no has supporters ni pinuru apart from that say Subai reaction towards matches ni ade it is saying unim say has supporter bia and no bo draw ni we no o si coach no mugoji a obetra wuki o ko ware yo ba ye no onima de kro ko ye na ni mu no oba ye
e ka say
engoyi
e ka say
asema o ka ese place ki akọ ware ba engoyi na ko
ani ekotoko captain we ekotoko captain na uko ware ba say kim eno ano o ko form za
former ekotoko player ya o you asami we no
me ba no so choice papa wa how take team papa de oba
time aso say entem
so bobo team papa ekotoko follow no football team ani so no say
anya no kre ono I think what is a hell say
but teams be say fuck
you be turn over $400,000 and then call $400,000 and then call
or Sweden or Denmark France or Africa some
Macron for any boy abo
they say o military man
ko to no bona bonia
udi soja
uti meji ha me ko di soja ese ko ma dise ko to ana me dia man ko to for man
ja
e bia say ni honeymoon kakra ogodi
we ja asem na ka na jai
ja ta soja wa approach yes so aso fu
Mohamed Bulu
my history dabi asem na ka na nye jai twisan me pacho o so ye me so twisan ka so no twisan
e di ma broni eno ano o ma wo so ama no me twisan tenano agoya ugbe openu nim say first match e ball league no ye ba Cross Sports Stadium ye need dreams for na be boy ba we I be sure mo je 3 points that na e be boy ye yakobo bi okumase akobo bi Go Stars
cake na has food try no when say nye has ankasa cake ana Kennedy ni movie because Kennedy ankasa cross send information on that
so look yango
Dabi America do wa unyi rough
young pa
o America unyi rough down onyi cross slow down
any pa udi pie ntem a ya na ye nipa bebree so wanyi o time obo has no 15 years
and now say military nu so o were wani
but the fact is abroche for no ohu obi a wanyi pa so na be ka so yon
pa ku na fu e ba hwe wa papa ye ko no wa pram side way look at him
Kwame no
kwaku boni
Kwame no eye kaso
uno simai
Kwame no Mr. Eddie Mills no kan
Eddie Mills na me kan na so traffic
Jonathan Abe obi ere na Facebook ya was say na wife Lashana Abe odi ni birthday and he was say ya wish him happy birthday sanko try mama fa we so onam Cape Coast kaso akwanso ko Cape Coast ya fra ba bi do manase
okay
yo ya fra
Beka no see you your friend Abok
is any cake
ne
ya propensa
Abok see you ma beka food joint
okay
happy birthday nkoma na oba de nya na edi enti kwa me do beko Dominance Junction ho na so ho a ubeko wa mu na bibia bi wo
ya bread die peka
Mr. Divine, Esiedu.
Yeah, Papa.
CEO, my Papa. Said last week, I said, it means Yami had more china.
Joko,
Oberonti.
I do picture no high, Marancona.
One picture.
Okay. No Guzujina as well.
We're going to be a summer say a year 27.
Walk no.
You're going to Punka.
Yes.
It will be Piara.
OfieKwanso. Yes, then me were here or I think when you so you better run walk on every Sana.
Program I was saying just height.
That very days we will do a Kofodia.
Aha, until back walking.
Minimum 27 from Penunim says I didn't a year Makuma could bear 20. And about to say,
there be Unim say from that time now, they could see say 21st December. Weekends, no, a park, the near activities.
Bronya ye nyema bebre ani jem kwanti so wo bibia sa je so yi free man
obia obewu sa mre bia no obehye free mama
ko bronya mu bi nye ye bronya ba ku so kai mi bia so be dana se na ka se mo bibia
but enkachi if you break coin na wa be ka say a mo hu se na ye wa wo dai na o mo me ntonka enipa de otiase ade kire do kire
birthday no we show happy birthday name ubetinenka
mama mentineka aku mitibe da se bebre
yo okay
ojo mane do mane nje
ya fast that can say ma will let properties o madama o ka ho ene de irrigated sports ebro ene ensaso no yatete so yeah special discount sale we a Christmas promotion it take advantage na ebeji asase ayatete so enya sa na promotion we twemu a ubenya asase no high price enti chopoli airport city asem na making 4,000 series ubetimi enya asase Esutwari junction 4,000 series ubetimi enya asase Dowenya 6,000 ubetimi enya asase Ayikuma 10,000 ubetimi enya asase Apollonia pram ehonyina yatete asase so achese edeji abomre kra 81 take advantage of this special discount sale from now till the end of December there and na wala your wire installment payment plan ewo ho e de mount yeah free site visit and a free documents and so amount open Gangnam Style we check kwan your war Ashama Timber Market roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road Ben Bank of Africa Fraser 0244 756 984 and 0243 740 485 and we're changing fast day your ma Airtel Tigo and they are the two good mesu promo number. It is raining cash all over Ghana. Na grand cash prize nankasan 100,000 Ghana cedis. Oh yeah. Every hour, every day, every week, every month. Amount for the need cash. Just dial *500#. They recharge you with 5 cedis or more. To a data bundle, they use you. Airtel to go money. Your transactions no more. Not face so crying on. Yeah, in daily SMS trivia, no foundation be answer simple questions. It cost only 30 pesos. Nina now build they up more points. Who boosting on more power. What mean yes KBAD. The patrol so we near number back open they contact to 0260 000 100. Any other number be after say where we need to be or Airtel Tigo to go into promo no more scam. Airtel Tigo, life is simple. Kel charcoal toothpaste. And so a toothpaste from Kwa ya charcoal ya bidi ya any day around come pa de amawo. A boduma when mu ye pa. Unya good fresh breath, whiter teeth. A man organ is strong and healthy. A preventive cavity. Things that was to be so no nina ebeko. Etikoswana e yusu. A kama pa available. Our shops and stores and supermarkets out nina emo. FDA so emu mwaja to me say yeah. If it's Samara Company Limited. Kelp charcoal toothpaste. Happy smile. As they do on the Farmer Casa Preco Company Limited. Yeah, name. Baby. What the promotion go ye? Wow, promotion change pa. It is from Ghana for. Or say better 1,000 packs of assorted drinks. Now you're more 100 packs free. Oh yeah. More dead. It is say Abia awake. In Swebi now better. What no kakra. Na Abia Puma drinks what no kakra. Na Abia Storm die what kakra. Choco Malty what kakra. On the empache. Now kikabumwa. A 2,000. Now you're more 100 assorted drinks free at the attachment. Enti Bomodia. All our accredited key distributors across Ghana, Okowa, Punwe Air Ranio, and a Casa Precondepo Air War, Spinkters one cry, Kumasi Tano Swafi, Techima, who any tamale, Honina, Supumwe Air Coso. So, to me, 1 9 now one metro now 1 year, 100 packs in Kawan. What a frame. Now, extra and drinks now open. Now, what place order? It's you 1,000 packs now. You load Kamua, now you load 100 free, no the account the amount. Then we will deliver at your doorstep free of charge. Untua delivery cost be a number now friend is 050-162-074 afi 050-156-2072 and share a crown why no share so Casa Precon Company Limited, a step beyond excellence. Go TV to say no with me I enjoy captivating moment on a year. La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, ne other leagues be na akanina. And one is all connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Now with me, dear call any dear Benina on your Go TV. Go TV, love it. As they do informa in boost herbal mixture, aka police in a drone. Oh yeah, pa police in a drone. Ejana su bruta adrowe ena no mo a e ma immune system no ye den enti yare bia ntimi yare bia trinity a potim no abona to no ko no baby afa se wo introduce eye police na do no ba we die mu a ono akọ ni padua na kwa babia problem wo bia no ono a be clear problems in afio etitam bia ho den yare bia ntimi yi a kyan wo so your friend in boost herbal mixture aka police nedro no King's Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Afe alternated and dependable herbal shops across Ghana, Health Alert Shop at St. John's, and Afe Ubo Remo Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. Ubinya Dudu Bia here. And yes, our friend one man so 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na yedim komo kama Abusu Ashan so say on the 27th of November yena yeshia mu ewo ayi mensa to booth wona na fe ya nante kakra sa we enye mrikatu enye competition ye nante de atentene pom ayo OfieKwanso health walk ye biache na no ada ba ko de ye na ekoyie bruta corona semsemi bai na ye ya ne ade aba district ye sen ko bi eti patro 27th ye hia e wa yi mensa to booth wa ne na ya kabom fefefe oba na wa dress wa looky sporty ade azie yes o she jeans no just slippers now near ko I can't say oh me who say sports or sportsman or woman, you know what I mean? Oh, I should share to so come pa. Now you could pim pediasia. You now you be converge the Lodge Tavern. Mr. Hayford as well. Why? Ne hono ya Roberts kakra de attention yompum. You are unze the amount for tank be ruti you are kakra obenom ne ade ne yimi ade de e be niam ba ne ade kubensu ne ade bibia be fine was ro iti a yenhia 27th na yenye na kama pa ya fan kai bo we en sorry so enuanum mienu e chese wo mo ehia accommodation na wo pe chamber and hall self-contained and a back so pay single room self-contained na omu here edan around Miaye Beboboswe Christian Village afe Kisiman sanso ena Domi Pillar 2 North Kanishia Chimota Tesano Empotemho tisa areas in na onye bi ho a won beda wase won kira agent simbia nim ti we landlady na landlord na odan bi etisa won den afre nuafo ina yenka ho asem 020 951 6327 that 020 951 6327 and 020 7900 354 020 7900 354 na yeni nkomo fi omonsa etimi enka dan na bibia so ebekoyi kama pa eno ehye eno no special shout going out to you Osofo Lama Ben Lama bra yame kan ho bibia be fine why ya na matonka okay na yekọ enimu no na happy birthday eko ediama Constant Kofi Asiye Jogbeti you are 2 years old today. May God bless you richly and make you great person tomorrow. We love you. And this one's coming from it's coming from Sister Ya of AJ Kujo. Eno enkomo eno. And which we so I'll say good evening, Jerry. Okay, we some way. I'll say Jerry, please wish Rita Ajua Benya of the Church of Pentecost, JT Okra Temple, Sacramento District, a happy birthday. They'll be belated. More grace, more wins, long life, and prosperity from Stephen Fusui Siama. And also the Ebaye, and na yetwaso ni na ekoye ni mu a I say happy birthday and Mrs. Faustina Tufo of Tema Community 5 CAC Church na osinyame unsha pa. This one's come from the husband Prophet Isaac Nana Tufo and their children, all wishing you a happy birthday. Hey, still okay. I say Jerry, Kwame Obade birthday no. One me daughter, me baba, and I share birthday no. Na me baba and your friend no. Adepa Nyameche Akusia AJ Dudu of Santa Barbara School, Community 5. So a happy birthday going out to her. She's 6 years old today. From AJ Dudu family. Wishing her a happy birthday. Nice one. Okay. Okay. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my boy well in his BEC for me. Edric Mate Colley Nyako of St. Paul's Methodist GHS, from the father Papa P of OfieKwanso WhatsApp group. On that note, no, if you try to na fear bar, yede de aka no ato aso enko ba bia.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere hubano, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes say, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Nina etimi banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya within D and a home car. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedian Cratry, what Jatu Musay.
Onia Ghana hadie tugu me so nyum no ano bia de sa o efri se Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu obia so Togo me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wodi be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa kosi December e wo tugu me so promo no mo na chede boti wanwaso anka se esiswo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na kwaswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bribia na wetumi abeka ni pampempema wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no enti bu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesre a. Eya wanwawa hu. Me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sen mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me dia magic Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA adi ejodi nka to ya tomo.
Willet Properties akan hubiemu na Ghana for we dey yehwehwe no ani eye Xmas promotion every Saturday ya ekopem say bedi bronya wi ya tete yen sase ni nyina so beji asase e wo Chokoli Airport City and afi Esutwari Junction 8,000 cities half plot eye 4,000 Dowenya 12,000 cities half plot eye 6,000 Ayikuma 20,000 cities half plot eye 10,000 afi Apollonia 20,000 cities and Apram 30,000 cities we eye special discount sales unya wo baby se sikano embo ano kra wo de betua bi na je wasase na tua de aka no kakra ye free site visit and a free document Christian Willet Property Search Akwan e wa Shaman Timber Market roundabout on the Bishop Camp Road ye Bank of Africa Fred 0244 756 984 0243 740 485 afi 020 230 9996 and 059 275 2227 website www.willetproperties.com Willet Properties yana ye ton sase a efo ehonjo na maso twibia so ni ho.
Coffee winnie na wo kwese he na no me bofo awo soap nim ende ma foforo na ade ahye ma say to when di lota na
Akole me hinta some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans ento betumi aboa me mama nya bosia bua madwuma yi mu
Ani
mensie sika wo hoyi wo betumi aboa me
Oni how gra advance hwe ne sanso na bosia to nema gu shop mu ana wato mfidi foforo ana wo de akoyi oniama wakraba enye den kra wadwuma nkonto gina advance aha what wo bo menkaye won saka deposit bia me fa momo account no so akugu won mobile banking service ni mu enti wetime sika sem tutu nyina efri mobile phone so abribiara
wow Matia Samdapa na bro Kofi mende hu advance foi
call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Dionu ewa omaya fana bebia for toll free 0800 355 355 ana anyone in kita ho abefo efidient ntanka se ne so www.advancedghana.com Advanced Ghana yane wo nyini bom
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesre a. Eya wanwawa hu. Me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sen mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me dia magic Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita emana hoden ne sayi nkabia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel, happy smile.
FDA adi ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
Syndicated Capital introduces the Silent Night range of luxury mattresses and pillows. And for the first time, the Silent Night pregnancy and nursing pillows crafted to provide exceptional relief for your legs, belly, and back during pregnancy, as well as amazing back support feeding your baby. No more sleepless nights and no more hustle with breastfeeding. Check out the Super Pillow Top Orthopedic Mattress, made with 12 inches of memory foam cushioning, providing unparalleled comfort and guaranteed to last for 20 years. No mattress comes close in comfort and support. Also available are high-quality bed sheets, reversible quills, a large collection of orthopedic pillows and luxurious towels at unbelievable prices. Silent Night products are available at all Melcom shops, game stores, and Silent Night showrooms at Tema, Asylum Down, Adenta, Spintex Road, and Kumasi behind Minshia Palace, or call 0302 242532 or 050-131-5776. Silent Night. Sleep like never before.
Enfia na ntam ne suku dan ebukumu suku nkwada basia ewo breman jamra yayaya nti ebetena se ayehwehan ama torentam kesiese bi asan ababa betuem bio tabida ni santi na sese yedi ntubuan kakra ede si suku dan foforo man kwada waka kire no kitwa bi enso ni santi na multimedia adwako no ene Star Ghana Foundation akabomu a wodi ntubuan kakra ede apeja suku dan yi esi hɔ no ebio kakra biara ekuta wo pese wode boa no wobetumi de afa mobile money number yi so 059303883 059303883 anase ubeko Access Bank account number no eye 009010105491 Castle Road branch code no eye 009 and street code no so eye ABNGGHAC afenso so pese wotinse fufuro bi anase mo biara pese wodeba yenmo asoye anase office no ubetumi afre 0302216540 0302216540 the classroom project yenam to kakra ne ahumobro yeso emma asetena mu ayeye.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Eja kono jama die bi eso eye tuntun enimu no nso ye bozin eye die ya Black Friday deals. Aha afi Samsung ama baby e wankasa ye che voucher ne bosom 600 Ghana cedis wo Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 bia obetoso ye ma discount ni achede bebre wo Samsung Galaxy A22 A12 A03s ana A02 bia obetoso nyoma ne die bebre na ne bonso da form every 8 post 30th November ko Samsung shop bia ya jatum na kwache wo Black Friday deal ye two deals na piti baby Black Friday we me say bosum we die baby and she shake a crown home.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Young cotton donut. Donut, donut. Malay follow not sa malaria. A 3D till no not now. Oh, malaria chill. Oh, popo. What do you need? I want you. No, not. No, Adamaco. No, not. Adamian, no, not. Adamian, sir. No, not. No, not. Scatter malaria. Lonat, it is scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu who say malaria wa umojum ansana wanum Lona. Na nami search na malaria no daso wa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Adia bakwa yentumi nkwetini say, eye den a iwiani bepie. Debiara dani bibi foforo eba enti wo yiro ho a wonya nea wo pebia enele ni atena bepemene odesidia shaman fofunumu enti how bia wo komu no wotumi so ano wo pese wo sesa obrabo enwani enele kioska esi wo mantem ho na dawnsem na loto doctors your professors wo ye mantem abribia omoma amanfo ye atefo bebia wo befa wo Ghana ha no loto writers ema wonya 590 no bitwa na daw bia nsem ye ebusua prekope ene technology nti bibia yefo o NLA 590 loto no wotumi twa no abribia wo bebia wo phone and internet so aben sinkane no NLA 590 for phone nebo star 959 hash eye simple uye yo eye ne ya stella e downsim
GSM asaya bebiemo November yi Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sale aba ameje de ayasron kokra
Yenti na sasa wo twen kosi bosumi wieye ansa no wenya saa akwanya yi wo mra Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sales rema wo de biara wonya saa akwanya yi wo bebiara o
di jawo Malcolm online anase bora Malcolm enkrabata bia nefa wo hye saa Malcolm Black Friday everyday sale shunku yi mu
masa akwanya yi empa ho Malcolm Black Friday everyday sales. It's simply unbeatable. Terms and conditions apply. Welcome, where Ghana shop.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial star 404 hash and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial star 404 hash on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
If you get a woman, hold on tight, oh. Me and my guys, we take for bike, oh. Now her location, take for mine, too. If you leave a woman, she go off pine, too.
Adom FM.
We go use it up, blind the eyes, oh. Me and my guys, we know they smile, oh. Big talk boys, we know they lie, oh. Big talk boys, we know they fear nobody. And you see why we got a fool for body. Only one thing we know they like now, police. One wrong move, you turn to my enemy. So make you no try. You think they hit me like the bongo. I beg you bring another shy show. Take your lady to the condo. If we dey hit and she dey sharp more, well. Oh, yo, get it, We dey wear coat, we dey wear ISO. All of our enemies them broke tie, yo. No competition, no denial. Una be cheaters, we be lions. Say we dey fly high, man, we never fly low. If we dey move, we know they fear go slow. No competition, no denial. Una be cheaters, we be lions. Big dog boys, we know they fear nobody. And you see wahala, we get a fool for body. Only one thing we know they like now, police. One wrong move, you turn to my enemy. So make you no try. Yeah. This thing they hit me like a bongo. I beg you bring another shy show. Take your lady to the condo. If we dey hit and she dey sharp, oh well. This thing they hit me like a bongo.
106.3. Show the time now, just about 9 more minutes to wrap up and make way for the news at 6. Video and I call. When you have to say Abonuzi and I is OfieKwanso. You coffee. You could not need news. Yeah. I am saying, yeah. Pressure no so. Yasem Ketwa. A happy birthday going out to Paula Malaika Lamte of Malaika Catering Services. Dansuman, may God bless and guide you in life. This one's coming from Don Chega and then Roseanne Eklanam Chega. I hope say I got your name right. Yeah. Ebe fans. Also, yesterday was my friend's birthday. The name is Selassie Afrik Wotishi. Wishing her a happy birthday, though belated. And this one is coming in from Ni of Sarah Foods. So greetings, Jerry. This is Kwabi of Accra Toll Plaza. Today is Mrs. Margaret Tequao's birthday, and I want to wish her a happy birthday. May the good Lord continue to bless her and her husband, Mr. Tequao. You call me very free, but you might eat my wife. You know, me friend no pona. Okay, so Ayoba Abba so to me download the because emuye now what me bibia or one app no so what juenia what you say social app so dey say crowd hu be crowd sad that afi number to me send MTN momo crowd faso wa bra chat with your favorite vendors, family and friends, and you also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. Now, what play games, you listen to music and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. Call Google Play Store and App Store and download this here. Ayoba, see made in Africa for the world. And on Asem, and no. Your fafla and twaso. Nah, yeah, sorry, uncle. Okay. All right, your fafla and twaso na eja. Yanko fina ene dia ya na yi azedwa na apom to say
nyame na adumara
good nyame adum de no ade kwekran sa kakra ne ade na another na ekro
in the so ye want some baby but most of the time no kono ye botwa no do na ya ne tiw na ye zama ye listeners nyara
okay
in the no ye first asama odoho pocho man fanto oda
good
enhwe menyiminti wo ma mu hu se
okay fatwa
ya na am side wing bi na chede ya ye yinaze into no first story ye Regizipi yeah, an artist I work at UK for a very long time. Now over the weekend, no, you the mame, we na you know last weekend you were dansuman.
Yeah.
Until now on ya summer or the foam, Ghana ha watch your do papa. At least ye whom coffee bebre, ye who appeared to Soho, Gloria Safo Coho, Lucky Mensa, yet an catcher. ye hu no ho ya ye papa be osusu kope ho na Brenti o yare hosam na chapu ho nya ozusu dama o ozusu hu de chedo pedama me na asam nti even esei won mpo na said o dey no do o the grave no do chedo nje mu kra o onye no ma me Cecilia boko but then Yamina Domara, we see an area or the Ghana Fasi.
Okay.
Yen second story so. Oh yes, Cecilia Mafu. Na yehu de one who sepe extra on Saturday. Okay, chain day. Or ye or just the Yankupon Adom. Interna me what shall I say? Ya wabe ya yes I trendy. Or just the Yamina Domara now on Powanjin who the numerable quechi the moon. On an rendition na wayan. No one James do boquechi them Nanyamina Domara. And you may trendy who the videos are bound in you. Until very soon, Mount Poy, them and you may your crest. What shall I say? No, and you're Menina. See, as a man, Yara, numbers are coming up, It's the last story you see who there over the past weeks. You who there. Our friend and Kwame Eugene. They look alike be bay.
Yeah.
More than $100. Hey, on your easel. Guy, a star by force. Na yasan so ehu there picture krubiaba on the number from mama kiddy no so no look alike e beji na nchana was e but braje mama nka sam mecho my before moko university nwa movie SHS no na menyema me mekaya me voters ID card na yedu hon na police panyin bi wo ho na ano amenye with the same surname masanso masana papa
hey
inte wannan ma me kada no me yen take chances so dey ko papa na ye konhu pepe ye hu no ya ye bibia chede ya kwa no office ye hu na nta ya ye plan wo fie da ye kwa chede okay because masanan ye one nta ono chede obama baby wo edwuma mu ho na second one na medicine nti chede nyama ne be extra ye konhu pepe ya so oh akwaba bibia ye fan Uba no do to school do I there ya na won coffee na won kaya plans na won ko school cheda me the $100 to man san ke mu coffee na mu ko tie mu school do on na me the $100 ko menye bi pra nti look alike in semi why na ya so na na wadin yan so aka wan nti nda fela no
all right you better was say I see do na de flat brain na sorry so but answer na fast like say ma Vodafone say can show say and you know so to me register or sim no it is o Ghana card in here ready make sure you go get it now what media gina so I register you just dial *404# now follow prompt no you'll be required to provide Ghana card ni pin no surname then first name or first names and then with date of birth na for gender would need na account a copy you be more code sa code no sa campe now they are called customer care center na wako take you biometric details no so the account na say bibia I complete the bibi che wadwen send the SMS Fafa 655 on Vodafone and yes I know a friend NCA for 0800 110 622 na ya bon kite boy if you Vodafone for and chain or madama and on the brain anyway fresh obi anti o baby me can say me boka krama me boki tuebi the daughters of glorious Jesus we a praise medley obi ani bi o baby age me nkwa Please help me wish Nana Oforiwa Nyantechiwa a second anniversary. So a happy birthday to you, Nana Oforiwa Nyantechiwa. You are 2 years old today. And on that note, I do see an I am a Muslim and Menusia Casa Watwaso. Yami Adom Ochna, Yabesan Weshia, if you know me as Sabrim, say, they are better men. Oh, yeah, OfieKwanso. A friend Jerry Justice.